Meaning of fanciful.
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 Fanciful. Fanciful refers to something that is imaginary or unrealistic, usually involving creative or whimsical ideas. It can also refer to something that is overly elaborate or decorative in design. This word is often used to describe literature, art, or fashion that is fanciful in nature, such as fairy tales or avant-garde fashion designs. When used in a negative context, fanciful can suggest something that is impractical or frivolous. In general, fanciful implies a departure from reality or convention, and often connotes a sense of playfulness or creativity.